In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Adobe Illustrator's language settings to English in just about 5 minutes. Whether you've accidentally installed it in a different language or simply want to make a switch, we'll walk through each step of this process together, ensuring that it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, we'll begin by launching the Creative Cloud desktop app. This hub application from Adobe manages all your apps and services, and it's here that we'll start the process to change your language settings. Once you have the Creative Cloud desktop app open, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll find your profile picture. It's often in the top right corner. Select your profile picture, as this will reveal a drop-down menu that provides access to a variety of personal settings. From the drop-down, look for and select Preferences. This section is your gateway to managing a host of different settings related to your Adobe apps. With Preferences open, navigate to the Apps section. You'll see this option in the left-hand sidebar. Clicking it will show you all the current settings related to the installation and management of your Adobe applications. Now that you're in the Apps section, focus on the default Install Language drop-down menu. This setting determines the language that any newly installed Adobe app will use. Look through the options and select English. This step is crucial because it ensures that the language change will be applied the next time you install or update your apps. After setting the default language to English, it's time to close or quit the Creative Cloud app. This will save your new settings and prepare you for the final steps. Now you're ready to move on to Adobe Illustrator itself. Open Adobe Illustrator from wherever you typically access it on your computer. If everything was followed correctly, you should see it launch in English, reflecting the new language preferences you set earlier. And that's it! You've successfully changed the language setting of Adobe Illustrator to English. This should help streamline your workflow, making all the tools and features understandable and easier to navigate. If you plan to install or update other Adobe apps, they'll automatically adopt the English language setting, making this a comprehensive solution. Thank you for following along, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Now you're fully equipped to make language settings adjustments not only in Illustrator, but in other Adobe apps too. Remember to regularly check your settings in Creative Cloud for any changes that might enhance your experience. Happy designing!